Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Today let's start with something that VC++ developers always have issues while working on third-party libraries, or some modern web application developers actually set packages. So for third-party libraries, like if you are a developer and the requirement is to use curl in your application, right? So for curl, you are going to download curl and install it, right? And build it using cmake or any compiler that you have, and then just integrate that with the with your application, right? So that actually process is not that much easy. If there is any dependency on some third-party libraries, then you have to download all the dependencies and other things. So that's why a new thing, kind of, that is actually a part of a modern languages or modern platforms like SP.NET. SP.NET has VC as a package managers, which we call NuGets. Likewise, with Node.js, there is npm. These are the package managers that actually provide you whatever library you want to include. You just go and download or install through these package managers, and everything will be done for you, right? Without knowing the underlying details. So same thing is integrated with we can do through VC package that was introduced and became part of Windows. So let's say just go on VC package, and under here VC package is a free C++ package manager for acquiring and managing libraries. Choosing from over this is download with a single step, add your own private libraries, simplify your build process, maintained by Microsoft C++ team and open source contributors. Right. So let's say get started. And if you are Windows, Linux, Mac, you need to follow these different configurations. Right now I'm on Windows, so let's do this for Windows. So just to install this, you need to create a directory. You can create on any drive, on your local drive. So suppose under the source PC package or any name that you want to give, right? And so let's come open my drive. So under this drive, I have actually let me create demo PC package, right? And here I want to open my shell with administrative rights and set this path. I just copy from Explorer, click here and copy this path, then come back on the PowerShell or any shell, CMD, anything, then just type cd, press Alt space E, then P, right? So it has passed to it, whatever you copied, or another way is just to right press right click on from your mouse, right? So now our shell is under this directory. Let's come on these steps, and you have to clone. Actually VC package is on GitHub, so you need to clone this repo from GitHub. Just copy it, and we are actually assuming that you have already installed Git on your machines. right? Just ensure that Git is already installed. Otherwise, you need to follow another tutorial. Just go and download and install Git, and then come up and follow these steps, right? So let's wait for a bit. Let me pause here so that I can continue as it's completed, right?